Hey guys, this is the channel Tundra underscore Glacian. Say hi.
Hi.
Then say bye.
Bye.
We'll meet you guys at the jump house, I guess.
Yeah.
Say bye, y'all.
Bye.
Lightning's just running around here. We're waiting for I don't know what, but like Lightning's just like running around pretending he's a Jolteon. Hey Lightning,
Yes.
are you running like you're a little Jolteon?
Yes.
What do you want to evolve into when you grow? What do you want to evolve? What do you want to evolve into?
Oh, that's really hard.
That's really hard?
Yep.
Oh. But what's your favorite evolution that you wish you want to evolve into?
A Jolteon.
Why? Why a Jolteon?
Because I love him. He's fast.
So
He's thunder.
isn't
He's
that-
powerful.
Oh. But he's not Zeus. That's the one thing. He's not Zeus.
What is that egg?
Okay. I don't know. Our father, which is a Flareon, is not back yet. So like, yeah. Okay, we'll meet you guys when we get on this, when we go in here, okay? Bye guys. See you. So Lightning went to the other side of this area, so like, yeah, I'm alone. Which is sad that I'm alone, but who cares? Oh, wow. It just says watch. We're just gonna walk back, I guess. We're gonna walk back. I'm gonna walk back to there, guys. Oh dang. So we just got back from the place that we were playing at, and
Yeah.
Lightning right here is tired.
I am not tired.
You sure about that?
I'm sure about that.
Okay, so this is the end of our video. I hope you guys like it. Like it,
Yeah.
subscribe.
Yeah, like and subscribe too.
Say bye.
Bye, everybody.
Whoa, we